Welcome to the IBA Hustle channel. Today we're talking about managing your time and energy as a freelancer. Being your own boss can be both a blessing and a curse, and it's important to set boundaries and prioritize your time and energy to ensure a healthy work-life balance. First, set clear boundaries around your work hours. This means creating a schedule and sticking to it as much as possible. Even if you're working from home, it's important to set a start and end time for your workday to ensure you're not working around the clock. Next, prioritize your tasks and focus on the most important ones first. This means identifying what tasks are the most urgent and important, and tackling them first. It's also important to set specific goals for yourself and your business, and track your progress to make sure you're on the right track. Another important aspect of managing your time and energy as a freelancer is to take regular breaks and practice self-care. This can mean going for a walk, taking a yoga class, or just stepping away from your work for a few minutes. It's important to keep your body and mind in top form to maintain energy and motivation. Lastly, don't be afraid to outsource some tasks or delegate work to others. This can help free up your time and energy for the most important tasks, and help you maintain a better work-life balance. Managing your time and energy as a freelancer is essential for maintaining a healthy work-life balance and achieving success in your business. By setting clear boundaries, prioritizing your tasks, taking regular breaks and practicing self-care, and outsourcing or delegating work when needed, you can ensure that your time and energy are being used effectively. Okay, we're at the end for this week. If you're ready to make the jump into freelancing, check out our latest book, IBA Hustle: How to Turn Your Expertise into a Profitable Side Hustle. It's available on Amazon now. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on building a successful freelancing business. Thanks for watching.